Hey future Bulldogs, I'm David Wood. I'm the principal at Stevens Middle School. I'm looking forward to having you join us this fall as new Bulldogs at Stevens. Let's go inside and take a look around. That's right. It's May. We've still got our social distancing guidelines going on. I hope you're staying home and staying safe. Instead, let's do a virtual open house. We'll get you some good information that'll help you be successful this fall when you join us as 6th graders at Stevens. Go Bulldogs!
Hey Bulldogs, I'm Mr. Chinburn. I'll be your host on this virtual tour of Stevens. We're going to visit some of the rooms and meet some of the people that'll be teaching you next fall. I'm here in PE hallway just outside the locker rooms where we're first going to hear from Mrs. Tavera.
Hi parents and students of incoming 6th graders. I'm Jessica Tavera and I teach PE at Stevens Middle School. For this message, I just want to answer a couple basic questions that students ask all the time. The first thing I wanted to tell you is that PE for sure will look different, and that can be a little scary. Change is hard, but everybody has to learn and start somewhere. What I want to talk to you about today are the locker rooms. For 6th grade PE and 7th and 8th, of course, too, you will be using locker rooms to change. There's a girls' locker room and a boys' locker room, and there are male PE teachers in there to help the boys, and girls, I'm always in the locker room to help you. We're here to help and answer any questions. We want to make PE fun and comfortable for everyone. What you need to know is that you can purchase Stevens PE clothes at the school, or you can wear athletic clothes of your own. Every single day, every student dresses down, comes to PE. We stay super active in there, so it's important to have shoes that are safe and supportive for your feet, and that you can move in well. Just remember that when it comes to PE or any other of your classes, that we, the teachers, we are here to help and answer questions you have. We truly look forward to seeing you and meeting you soon, and hope you all are well and healthy. Thank you.
Chances are you'll be starting your day right here, this part of the building. It's called the Commons. It's where you come for breakfast. It's also where you come for lunch. After school programs, all kinds of cool stuff happens right here.
Hey future Bulldogs, I am Mrs. Such. I am the assistant principal here. When you first come into the building, we can see the office. That is going to be if you need to take care of any business. Just across is our counseling department, if you need anything from them. And right behind us is the library. Let's learn a little bit about that.
Hey there, yeah, you! I hear the word's on the street that you're going to be at Stevens next year. Well, congratulations. Make sure to drop into the library and check out a good book. By the way, you should get a reading buddy. I've got 2. That's right. Hey, dog, you ready to go read your favorite book? Go, Dog, Go! By Dr. Seuss. All right, see you soon.
Welcome to Stevens Middle School. My name's Tim Houck. I'm the 6th grade counselor. This is Julianne Younger. She's our 7th grade counselor. And Leah Anderson, our 8th grade counselor.
And this is Stevens Middle School. Right over here we have the main office. And across from the main office is where you can find our offices if you ever need us for anything.
The counseling team is happy to support you with your mental health needs as well as peer needs or teacher needs. We can also help with counseling and some facets of academics. If you're really, really struggling, we can help find the right schedule that meets your needs.
And we really look forward to seeing you in the fall.
Hola, buenos días. Estoy aquí con nuestro equipo de consejería de Adams Stevens Middle School. Soy Leah Anderson, la consejera de 8º grado, y estoy con Timothy Houck, el consejero de 6º grado, y Julianne Younger, la consejera de 7º grado. Estamos aquí para ayudar con cualquier necesidad social, incluso si ustedes necesitan ayuda de salud mental, también si ustedes necesitan ayuda con su schedule. Estamos aquí para apoyar. Tenemos nuestra oficina aquí para que podamos servir. Y también en la otra oficina es la oficina de la principal. Entonces, si ustedes necesitan ayuda o preguntas, por favor, cualquier tiempo ustedes pueden preguntar.
Cooking food at school? You better believe it. Mrs. Bielenberg's going to tell you about it.
Welcome to Foods Classes. I'm Mrs. Bielenberg, and I teach all of the culinary classes at Stevens. Your incoming sixth grader will be able to take a Foods Wheel class. This is a short introduction to our foods classes. We work on food safety and sanitation, how to work in a kitchen, working with a stove, an oven, a microwave. We learn about food preparation, cooking, baking, grilling, and frying. We also spend some time in nutrition. Students will do some reading and some writing in this class, but they also do some hands-on time where we get to work with different equipment and learn how to use that, such as a spider or a whisk, a meat mallet, basting brush. All of these things are just some of the tools that we'll be using in our class. Students need to come prepared to learn. They need to bring their binder to class every day, have a pencil with them. It's helpful if they have some colored pencils and scissors. We do some drawing and some cutting things out. We'll be reading and writing. Those are required in pretty much every class. They do have a lot of fun in foods, and if they decide they like the foods class, they can sign up to take a full semester of foods as a 7th or 8th grader.
This is Mr. Anderson's room. He works with the Bulldogs who want to sing.
Hey guys, welcome to our open house. My name is Mr. Anderson. I'm the choir director at Stevens Middle School, and I'm excited to see all of you guys join us in the fall. If you're interested in singing in choir, I want you to get in touch with me and let me know. We've got 2 beginning level choirs, a soprano alto choir and a tenor bass choir, but we also have 3 other groups at Stevens. We've got an advanced soprano alto choir, a concert choir, and a small ensemble group that sings a lot of popular a cappella music called Vox Solus. If you're interested at all in singing, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you this fall.
I'm standing outside Mr. Byers' room. He teaches social studies and coaches volleyball.
Hello, my name is Mr. Byer, and I teach 6th grade social studies at Stevens Middle School. 6th grade social studies focuses on the Aztec, the Inca, and the Maya, and then the tribes of North America. So it's North, South, and Central America before the arrival of Columbus. We also study maps, critical thinking skills, and the citation of evidence to support an argument. In order to be successful in my class, you will need to bring an INB, which stands for Interactive Notebook, with you to class every day. I will be providing those notebooks and teaching students how to use them, but that's the main thing that you will need to have with you every day to be successful. So I hope you all have a great summer, and I look forward to meeting you all when the school year starts.
This is Mrs. Turner's room. She teaches math and Avid, and she's a crafty cat.
Hi, scholars. My name is Mrs. Turner. I teach at Stevens Middle School. I have been there 9 years. I teach 6th grade math and Avid Excel. I'm excited for you to join us in the fall. I can't wait to meet you, and I hope I have you in some of my classes. A few things to think about how to be successful in middle school or how to be successful in my classes. Be in school every day. Super important. In order to learn, you need to be there. Participate fully in all the classroom activities. Always be positive and be kind. Super important in my class. Ask questions and ask for help whenever you need it. That's what we're here for. And lastly, get involved in some of the activities at Stevens Middle School. I think you'll enjoy some of the after-school activities and the sporting activities that we offer. I teach a crafty cat club after school. So if you're interested in crafts or you like cats, I think you'll love our after-school activity, Crafty Cat Club. Have a great summer, and we'll see you all in the fall.
This is Miss Gates' room. She teaches engineering.
Hi, my name is Miss Gates, and I teach science and engineering at Adams Stevens Middle School. I can't wait for you guys to see our classroom and what we'll be doing. My favorite projects and things that we'll be doing next year are things like catapults and 3D printing, but my all-time favorite, paper airplanes. Paper airplanes are the simplest thing we do all year, but there's so much more to them to get them to fly correctly and to adjust them so that they fly the furthest they can. We even have a competition to see who can fly theirs the furthest. The record is 300 feet, so I'm hoping someone can beat that this year. I can't wait to meet you all, and I hope you all have a positive attitude and willingness to try new things in my classroom. Have a great summer.
This is Mrs. Beardsley's room. She teaches science. She has a hypothesis that you're going to love her class.
Hello, incoming sixth graders. I'm Miss Beardsley, and I teach science at Stevens Middle School, and I am so excited to meet you next year. In science, although we will be taking notes and doing lots of thinking and lots of figuring things out and being logical, we will also do a lot of hands-on fun experiments, like you'll learn how to get an egg inside of a bottle without smushing it. You'll learn things about heating up water in Coke cans and what happens, and you'll measure things and use scientific equipment. We try to get you thinking logically and scientifically, but at the same time, we have a whole lot of fun doing it. I can't wait to meet you next year. Have a great summer, and we will see you in the fall.
Mrs. Lohman teaches language arts. Let's see what she has to say.
Hey Future Bulldogs, I'm Miss Lohman and I teach language arts. Language arts is a year-long class where we spend time reading and writing narratives, informational texts, and arguments. Attendance is very important because you can't make up all of the classwork and activities that we do every day. So the expectation is that you are in class, ready to learn, take chances, and try your best. For homework, we just ask that you read for about 20 minutes at home every day and finish any incomplete classwork as needed. I hope you enjoy the rest of your strange 5th grade year that you've had, and I can't wait to meet you in the fall.
Mrs. Harvey and Mrs. Hurst help Bulldogs with their reading.
That's what we do. We provide help.
For all of our less confident readers.
We are Language Arts Support.
I'm Mrs. Harvey.
I'm Mr. Chinberg.
I'm Miss Hurst.
And I'm Mr. Stratman.
Together, we offer the classes that help you
become
a
stronger
reader.
Becoming a more confident reader helps you.
It makes other classes easier.
It makes reading more enjoyable.
And guess who's in charge of your reading growth?
You.
That's right. You're only in our classes as long as you need to be.
Once you are reading at grade level, you move on.
Which frees your schedule up for another class.
And when it's time to read new books and articles, you won't be saying,
Hello, my name is Miss Brooks, and my classroom is upstairs in the English wing of Stevens Middle School, and I teach writing to 6th graders all year long. And our policy at Stevens is that every 6th grader has a writing class so that we can make sure that we're all writing really, really well as we move into middle school. So your experience in my room will be one where we have a lot of fun and we work hard and we make mistakes and we learn from them. And we work as a team so nobody gets left behind. We always are working together, working hard, but having fun and learning and practicing new skills. So I look forward to seeing you in the fall. Bye-bye for now.
when you're a Bulldog, you're not just Stevens strong, you're Avid strong. Mr. Gunlock's going to tell you more.
Hello, my name is Mr. Gunlock. One of the things that I'm responsible for is helping support a class called Avid Strong. Every student at Stevens Middle School is going to be part of Avid Strong. It's a class that happens one time per week, and it is focused on supporting every student in staying organized, building a community where they feel safe, invited, and celebrated, and where we learn some strategies that you will experience in your other classes as well. It's not a class just for Avid elective students, it's for all students at Stevens, and it's a place where we learn what it's like to be a scholar at Stevens Middle School and what it looks like to be successful during your time from 6th grade to 8th grade at Stevens Middle School.
I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of Stevens Middle School. Enjoy your summer, stay safe, be healthy, and we'll be looking for you next fall.